This module is failed because it's telling me compressor 1 on, but it's not on. But watch this. See? Now it's on, and stage 2 is already off. And the fluid temperature had got up to 118. So I got a new controller right here I'm about to replace. See, it just shut it back. It was jumping off and on, but it won't even bring the second compressor on. So I'm about to replace it. Maybe I gotta pull it down. Alright, let's put this new module on. Make sure it's address down, up, up, up. I gotta take this off, put on here, take this off and put on here. Everything else on there. It's in play. That's in the. Oops, I didn't seal it good. Alright, let's pour this down. That goes right there, and that should go right there. Where did I get that from? And that's set. Where did that go? 1, 2, 3. That goes right here. Just for future. That goes right there. Alright. You got the new one on. That's the old one. Make sure everything good. Turn the power back on, everything should fire up and it should come on. sure everything fire up. Pumps on. Of course, I gotta open fluid. Digital input. That's compressor 2. It's finally running. So that should be the right one. Nope. That's compressor 1. Compressor 1 on. And the other compressor should jump on here in a second. Yep, compressor 1. And then compressor 2 should jump on. Compressor 1 on. Compressor 2 not on yet. So it should jump on here in a second. I pray it do. I believe it's gonna come on. It's at 100 right now. But compressor 2 was having issues because I condemned the expansion from what I thought it was. But I called tech support. Yes! Number 2 was on. Watch my fluid temperature. It's at 99. We're gonna let it drop. This is what I'm working on, the MRI chiller. That's compressor 2 right there. So the chiller was able to get down the set point of 43 once I allowed both of them to come on. But the normal set point is 50. So I'm going to drop this set point back down to like 44. And I want to see if both compressors come back on since I changed this module. I want to make sure everything is working fine. Alright, so that was circuit 1 compressor. And I want to make sure circuit 2 comes on. So I'm going to drop this down like even lower. But I'm not going to let it get to 40. I'm going to just... Says compressor 1 is on. I'm not calling for compressor 2 yet. It should come on here in a second. It says it's over temp because I got the set point so low, I believe. But it should burn a second compressor on. It just got a slight delay. Okay. That was circuit 1 compressor and circuit 2 compressor is on. And yep, circuit 2 compressor is on. And then circuit 1 compressor is on. System on, pumps on, chiller on, okay. But I don't even want it to get down to that set point. I just wanted to verify that both of them were coming on. Because I don't just want to change a part and take off and then it fell on me again. But I'm going to let it try to get down to like 45. I'm going to change. Oh yeah, I'm going to see if it let it drop down to about 45 and then I'm going to shut it back. Matter of fact, yeah, it's coming down, so I'm going to just raise these set points back up. Raise it back up to 50 and let it shut off. It's reaching this set point where they had it at. So they just dropped out that fan, so that compressor going to drop out. And then that one probably going to drop out. Because I think I'm below my set point. And that compressor should turn off here in a second. Yeah, my cool demand is at 0, but it has to have like some type of like compressing a minimum time on, I believe. But that one should turn off. Let's see. Yeah, they're about to shut off. It shut off. Both compressors are off. And we are below the set point. We good.